The order followed an interlocutory application brought by the Federal Government of Nigeria and Federal Ministry of Health against the Nigerian Association of Resident Doctors. Counsel for the striking doctors, Robinson Ario, had asked the court to refuse to grant the prayers of the applicants.
No, that was, with due respect to the learned sick, as I pointed out to the court, that was a misinformation, because the addendum prepared by the government, by the claimants, which was given to our client yesterday, that addendum recognizes that the timelines in the memorandum of understanding signed on the 21st day of August this year, those timelines have lapsed.
Meanwhile, counsel for the government, Tochukwu Maduka, defended the no work, no pay policy against the doctors.
So parties were added on our own parts and on the part of counsel for the defendants. They considered that negotiations had broken down, and their lawyers specifically said they were prepared to match us on the processes before the courts. That were his expert words. And in view of that, the court proceeded to deliver its ruling and said that the issue of jurisdiction which they had raised, in line with case law, judicial authorities to that effect, and the provisions of the rules of the courts, that in matters of originating summons, when facts are not in dispute, that the preliminary objection should be taken together with the substantive application. And also, being that this is a vacation court with limited time set up to take urgent applications, that the court was minded to take our notice of our motion of notice for interlocutory injunction. So the court took our application, motion of notice, to restrain the defendants from continuing with the industrial strike, and also to compel them to go back to work. The counsel for the defendant respondent opposed that application, and the court, in its ruling, agreed with us on the issues canvassed and specifically made an order restraining defendants from continuing with the strike and also compelling them to go back to work.
It is safe to say that the strike action embarked upon by Nigerian Association of Resident Doctors has officially come to an end, with the Honorable Judge ruling in favor of federal government and ordering the striking resident doctors to resume work with immediate effect. Darshan Hussaina Usman, Trust TV News, Abuja.